All right. Oh, starter broke. There we go. So, got the ET1 generators off to the side, belted it up. There was a comment about how a lot of these engines, the real ones, get started and then a belt gets put on them. That only works if you have a clutched belt pulley. If you have a flywheel that is always running, you need to put your belts on before you start the engine, because otherwise you're trying to get injured. But gonna flip the ignition on here and see if I can get the ET1 going. I was very careful when I fueled it to make sure there's no bubbles in the air in the fuel line, and make sure so that while it's warming up it's got good fuel feed, and then when I load it, it should keep running. So let's see. Okay, maybe it was over flooded from when I was getting air out of the line. Alright, there we go. I'm going to let that run for 5 or 10 minutes to make sure it's nice and warmed up, and then we will try out some of this generator business, see how it works.